Okay, trying a new setup for recording and a new mic, so this may not work very well, but we'll try. Oops, caught the wire. So I picked this setup recently while it was on a deal. It's bought with my own money, and any opinions I give will be my own. So let's have a look what's in the box. Nicely packaged. Yeah, let's move that out of the way. So, this is a 235 by 235 set of build plates from Sunlu. And in the package you get, good strong magnet, black textured PEI on a steel sheet, and it's double-sided. I wasn't sure about what exactly this kit would be because the description on the Sunlu website wasn't overly clear, but I've spoken to someone from Sunlu who's going to try to amend it so it makes a bit more sense. Well, that's stuck well. So, right, there we are. Off you go. Right, so you've got the gold textured steel PEI. Oh, clean steel on the back. That might be handy. All my other textured PEI is double-sided, and I think that is plain steel. Yes, plain steel, so there's no smooth PEI on this side. And we have a 3M branded bed sticker. When you use these, learn from my mistakes. Stick the build plate to it first and make sure you get the magnetic orientation right, because if you stick the bed to it from one angle it doesn't stick as well. So just keep rotating 90 degrees till you find the point where it sticks best. This is a bit tricky to do with it not on a bed, but just have a play about with it before you stick this bit to your printer bed. So, I can't remember exactly what I paid for this kit, but I'll double check it and add it to the video comments. I'll do some printing with these and then report back. I just wanted to give these a quick test. So first off, I ran a print using my current textured PEI bed. This is an energetic brand PEI, and it was all set up right, so where are we? This is PETG, it stuck well, no issues. And then, so the only thing I was changing was the surface. I dropped the Sunlu ones straight on the same printer, reran the same print with no change of settings. Here it is on the textured black bed, and off it pops. Very hard to get it to focus on this, but good finish, no adhesion issues. And I did the same with the gold and lovely texture on the bottom, no problem with it sticking. So for a quick test, I'm very happy with these. I didn't prep the surface in any way other than a quick wipe over with 70% IPA. So I'm quite happy with these, and if Sunlu do the offer again, I shall be picking up more.